Good morning everyone, I hope all of you guys are okay. So welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't done or released any vlogs lately because, well, life happened. So yeah, at the moment I am in Luxembourg, so I'm gonna explore this amazing country. It's actually a very small country, and it's quite like it looks really amazing. Also, they provide free transport for everyone, like free public transport even for tourists, so it's really amazing. So let's go explore this place. So Luxembourg is a very small country. It is bordered by Belgium, France and Germany, and it also has the highest GDP per capita. So it's a very rich country. So I arrived here yesterday, but I've been like traveling all day, so I feel like I didn't really want to vlog what I was doing yesterday because it was also raining, so I really didn't get to do much. So I basically just explored around the like town, I would say, although their high street maybe. But yeah, so today I'm going to I have a walking tour scheduled for today, so to get more idea of what I can do in this city. So it's a very small city, so I feel like it's very doable. Like I can do a lot of things, but I feel like I can do it like very easily or very quickly. So hopefully the tour like I'm gonna be attending now would give me more idea of what the things I would be doing. So yeah, let's go. So the city has this very beautiful vibes to it. So this is the Notre Dame Cathedral as well, and it has this like almost foresty vibe feel to it. So as you can see, there's like lots of trees and everywhere. So it is very green. It's amazing. So they have parks in the middle of the city as well. So like I've shown earlier, there's like a skateboard park underneath the bridge that we just passed through. So that bridge reminds me of the bridge that connects Porto to Gaia. So it has that kind of vibe. There's the stairs there if you want to go past through the park there. And I think that links up to the skateboard that we saw earlier. Right, so hopefully I can give you more information once I've done the walking tour, so I'm not just rambling random stuff to you. So let's go. Okay, so unfortunately our tour guide didn't show up, so I don't know what happened. We waited there for like half an hour, but no one showed up and nothing happened. So we tried contacting the group tried to contact the tour operator or the tour guide, but no answer. So anyway, so I'm starting this tour. So this is the Remembrance Monument. So this was created in the memory of the fallen soldiers of the First World War. So the bronze statue at the bottom symbolizes the fallen soldiers, and the gilded lady at the top symbolizes the angel of peace. And she's holding a laurel wreath. Here you go. This is how it goes. Let's go. Okay, so that was inside the Notre Dame Cathedral. Can't really explore much inside because I think there's a service that's starting to happen. So it is a Gothic, Baroque and Renaissance style Catholic church and a former Jesuit church as well. It was constructed 1621, so it's a very, very old church. Alright, so let's go explore another place. Okay, so this building behind me is their deputy's chamber. So it's the same as their parliament, or it is their parliament basically. So all their legislations or laws are proposed and made in this building. It looks beautiful, it looks amazing. Okay, so we are now at the William Square. So this square is named after King William II, of which I think is that statue over there. So this is used for markets and open air events. So at the moment it's quite empty, although there's like a few shops and cafes around the area. There's like water feature there as well. At the moment, yeah, it's quite empty. Maybe it's still early anyway, but yeah, there's like, it has the same vibe as when we went. I guess a lot of the European squares have this similar vibe to it, like the buildings surrounding looks very beautiful. So that over there, I'm not sure if you can see, is the cathedral, and then the building over there is the parliament. It's very beautiful, although it feels very empty though. Let's go explore some more. So that is the St. Michael's Church. It is the oldest church in Luxembourg, and its architecture is a mix of Romanesque, Gothic and Baroque architecture. The appearance also is because of its reconstruction from 1687 and 1688. That's why it's a bit like that. It's very beautiful inside. It's very cozy actually. There's a lot of like different mix of history inside the church, which makes it very unique. But overall, I mean, it doesn't look very much from the outside because it has been reconstructed, like I said, 1687, 1688. But inside, it definitely has that Gothic, Baroque, or no, more like Gothic, yeah, Romanesque kind of architecture inside, and the stained glasses. Really beautiful. I like that with like old churches because of the stained glasses. It has that, it adds to like the vibe inside the old churches. So yeah, let's go explore some more. So this looks very beautiful. So this area is the ancient quarter and also included in the UNESCO Heritage Site list. It looks very amazing. So this is part of the fortification of Luxembourg. So as you can see, there's like old walls in there as well. It looks amazing. And also that view there, come on, it looks amazing. It looks very, very beautiful, mixing the old like walls there with almost, well, they're not really new, but almost like what are they, Baroque style? Are they Baroque style or Neo-Gothic style? So I'm not sure whether this is the one they're saying that the most beautiful balcony of Luxembourg, but it's definitely very beautiful, as you can see. So we are along the walls now. So we were that side earlier. I'm not sure if you can see because it's very small in the camera, but we were on that side. So we are now walking along the walls. It looks very beautiful here. The view is also amazing. So this whole area reminds me of like the place in Porto where it connects Porto to Gaia. So it has that similar vibe to it. But yeah, it looks amazing. They have a lot of like bridges around the area to connect like sides of the city. So it looks very beautiful. Okay, so we are now heading to the Plateau du Ram. So that was like by the river area, like when we were viewing it by the viewpoint. So the viewpoint is around that side. Well, it's covered by the trees, so you can't really see it, but it's over that side. So I just wanted to see what's by that viewpoint. No, not viewpoint, but by that waterfalls river area. So the viewpoint is around that side there. So we are now at the like heart of Luxembourg, or like their old quarter, I guess. So this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and that building there used to be a church, so it's been remodeled and it's also now used for events and other gatherings. So yeah, this is just the place what we were looking at earlier. So the viewpoint earlier is that way. I'm not sure if you can see, and the other side would be like the other viewpoint would be that side, and then the river that we were looking at earlier is that way over that side. You can do a tour inside the wall if you want, and it will tell you a bit more history of the wall as well. So let's go explore around the area. So here we are, the river on the side. It looks beautiful. This area looks very peaceful and beautiful. It's actually very quiet, and aside from the gushing of the river, it's very peaceful and quiet. Imagine living there. So that's the wall where we were at earlier. That's the old wall. You can see there's some holes, probably from canyons and bombs during the war, but it is very high. And this view. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this trip with me in Luxembourg. Well, it's a bit of a tour, really. So if you like this, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is Cowell_Chan, and on my Facebook page, which is Cowell_Travels. Hit that subscribe button and the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. I know I haven't been uploading much, so stay tuned and see you in my next video. Bye!